Welcome to the calendar page, your central hub for managing all your important events. You can seamlessly integrate this calendar with your Google Calendar and send events notifications directly from the application to your team members or even clients. Simply click the calendar icon to access the schedule. The calendar offers 3 viewing modes: daily, weekly, and monthly, with the default view set to monthly. For tablet or phone users, the daily view provides the best event management. At the top right corner, you will find 3 action buttons. Click the plus button to create your first event. Enter event details, set the date, time, and choose an event color. Using colors can be a great way to indicate event priority or importance. You will have the option to assign a job to the event using the drop-down button. Below that, assign a team member or client for meetings or tasks. Enter your message. Then click Create Event to add it to the calendar. Note that after entering an email address, the checkbox to send an email is auto-marked. Events with notes will display a message icon. To search for events, use the search button. To sync your InterioApp account with Google Calendar, click the third button and follow the prompts to connect your accounts. And if you encounter any difficulties with these steps, feel free to reach out for support. We will gladly arrange a video meeting if necessary, guiding you through the process to help set it up together.